This is a poem about wanting to believe that you can accurately judge someone's personality by the colour of their eyes, and that you can accurately judge whether or not your relationship with them is going to pan out, and how this isn't necessarily a foolproof plan. I married green eyes. I married green eyes early last July. The neighbours all advised me to go green. The grass tastes sweeter when the gooseberries cry. The butcher boy went green when he got clean. Deborah married blue eyes straight after school. The neighbours all advised me to go green. Blue eyes rubs his trunks in the local pool. The au pair tops his blueberries with cream. Stuart found his brown eyes in a sports car. He'd seen suspicious bruises on her thigh. There she was, with silver tongue and knife scar. The grass tastes sweeter when the gooseberries cry. Keep away from white eyes and the drug scene. Her wild-eyed mother begged her not to wed. The butcher boy went green when he got clean. White eyes and white eyes honeymooned in bed. Starry eyes wore his sunglasses in court. The knights achieved full custody of day. Now he drinks in green rooms, growing short. The complimentary grapes taste okay. Streamers web the streets like celery string. You fix the finger with an emerald screw. The neighbours believed each confetti fling. You believed me. I have green eyes too.